I am not stopping. No way. No way in hell we're stopping today. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul and welcome to our basement. Today we have a nice 10-minute core workout. This is actually a workout I was gonna do. I just finished working out in the garage. I figure, you know what? Kill two birds, one stone, and I might as well film it. It's 10 minutes long, 2 exercises, sit-ups, leg raises, 1 minute of each, no stops, no breaks in between. See how long we can last? Like I said, it's gonna be my workout, so I might fail halfway through, who knows? Let's get started. Once again, welcome to Fit After 50. We got 10 seconds left. We're starting off with sit-ups. Nice and easy. 1 minute of each, guys. Ready? No preview today. You know how to do a sit-up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 60 seconds. Sit-ups. I don't care what you do with your arms. You can bring it up here. You can put it behind your back. You can put it behind your neck. You can leave them on the ground and drag them like this. You can pretend you're reeling yourself in. It really doesn't matter. Give me 60 seconds of sit-ups. We're doing this for 10 minutes. Like I said, 1 minute sit-ups, 1 minute leg raises. I know this also involves you hip flexors a lot, but that's all right. It works all the midsection right here, and that's what we're doing. 30 seconds to go. Keep going. Like I said, this is gonna be difficult. I don't know how difficult it's gonna be. It was actually written in my notebook. 10 minutes of core work, 1 minute of each. I decided to film it. Why not? So today you are actually joining me on my actual workout. All right, we got 10 seconds left, and then we are switching to double leg raises. You're gonna protect your lower back with your hands, like I will, and just follow along with me. 3, 2, 1, ready, switch. Just up, down, there we go, up, down. 60 seconds of each. See how far we can make it. We gotta push ourselves, not only physically, but mentally today. Just because we are doing only 2 exercises, you know, that can get kind of boring. But that's okay. Just because it's boring doesn't mean it's bad. Keep it up. 1 of each. Almost done. 2 minutes almost in. We only have 8 minutes left. See how it goes. It's already starting to burn a little bit. I have to be truthful here. Keep it up though. Let's go, guys. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds. This is gonna be a tough 10 minutes, I can tell already. By the amount of burn I'm experiencing in my core right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sit up. That's all right, we'll just push it for as long as we can. That's okay, it's okay to fail on these things. You should work out to failure. That's when you see the best results. Keep it up. Keep going with me. I'll do this for 10 minutes, even though if I have to stop a little bit, that's okay. Take a 5-second breather, 10-second breather. Keep it up though, as long as we can. For the edit on this video today, it's gonna be really easy. All I gotta do is put a clock up on that wall for 1 minute, repeat it 10 times, put some music behind here, because I actually don't listen to any music when I record this. The music is all post-production. So I'm just basically just talking to the camera. And there is nothing to keep any kind of rhythm. Not that I have any. Keep it up, guys. 5 seconds of sit-ups left, and then we're switching back to our leg raises. 2, 1, and you scoot back a little bit, and let's go. Go at your own pace. You can take a break. You can take a break if you are quite strong. Go twice as fast as I can. I don't care. Just keep moving. Keep going. Protect that lower back. When your lower back starts arching a lot, then bring those legs back up. Keep it up. Let's go. 30 seconds left. What's more difficult for you at this point? Leg raises or sit-ups? I'm calling it whatever I'm doing because this is starting to hurt. But that's okay. See how much energy I have for talking in about 2 or 3 minutes, right? We got about 10 seconds left before we switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's sit up. There we go. Yes, the pace is starting to slow. That's okay. After this set, we're gonna be halfway done. So big thumbs up for that. Keep going, guys. Come on. Oh yeah, definitely gonna feel this tomorrow. That's okay. That's how it's supposed to work. Keep it up. Strong cores today. At your own pace. At my pace. Faster, slower, doesn't matter. Keep it up. 20 seconds left. In 20 seconds, we're gonna halfway done. Can we make the other half? That is the question, right? We're gonna do our damnness to do so. So let's keep it up. Move it, come on. Push it. 10 seconds. Trust me, I'm burning too. It's all right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg raises, switch and go. I always say my workouts are your workouts. This has never been truer than today, trust me. Okay, just relax, Paul. Relax and go. Four and a half minutes left. We got this. Keep moving. Keep going. Don't stop. Push it. Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on. Challenge. Challenge. And push. Keep it up. Yes, I'm talking last. That's an obvious sign that I'm tired. 5 seconds before we switch. 3, 2, 1, and I guess we're switching. I want to take a nap. I can't. I won't. I'm just gonna slow down a little bit. I'm gonna keep pushing. Keep it up. That's right. Get crazy. Don't stop. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. We got 3.5 minutes left. That's nothing. That's a commercial break on TV. Keep it up. Keep going. There we go. 5 seconds, we switch again. Only one more set of sit-ups after this, ready? Let's go, leg raises, boom. Knock him out, come on. That's it, keep it up. Don't stop.
I like my money, I like my green, I like my money, I like my...
Come on, keep going, let's get crazy, come on. Not much time left, guys. We got 2.5 minutes, let's go. 25% of the workout left, we're almost done. 20 seconds, keep it up. 1, come on. 15 seconds. Keep it going, keep going, keep going. 10. Last set of sit-ups is coming up. We're almost there. We can definitely see the finish line right now. 3, 2, 1, and sit up. Come on, 1. I don't know why I'm counting, it doesn't make any sense. I go a little crazy when I'm a little tired. That's okay, keep it up. My form is not great anymore, but I'm still gonna keep on sitting up. I am not stopping. No way. No way in hell we're stopping today. We're gonna keep pushing this all the way to the end. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. I know, simple exercise, simple sit-up. And I am toast. Keep it up. Almost there. 20 seconds of sit-ups left. At this pace, it's probably like 3 or 4 left, right? Come on. That's it. 10 seconds, a little more. Now it's 10 seconds. We have about 3 sit-ups left or so. Faces release, come to a halt. 5 seconds. Let's do one more. 2, 1. Here it comes, last set of leg raises. Ready, guys? Join me and let's go. Come on, knock him out. This is it. We got this. Piece of cake. Keep going. 40 seconds. Protect the lower back, don't forget, don't want to get hurt. All the way to the end. Keep those arms under those butts and keep going, come on. 30 seconds, keep it up. Means probably about 25 swings, we got this. 25 seconds. I know, I'm gonna stop calling it out. I'll let you guys know when it's 10. You can close your eyes and relax, just knock it out. Come on, 15. Sorry, I lied. I just looked at the clock myself. Now it's 10, now we got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, hello core. How you guys doing? Thank you for surviving this with me today. Like I said, this was my actual exercise that I was gonna do when I was up in the garage. I was like, hell with it. I'm gonna bring it down here, film it for you guys. Let's suffer together. This is Fit Active 50. My name is Paul. I work out with you guys every Monday and every Thursday for almost 6 years running right now. If you enjoy this torture, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.